Hello, this 1999 Chrysler Town & Country has only 86,000 miles. It's the limited model, which has a long list of cosmetic and functional elements that raise it well above the level of more than 95% of other minivans of this era or price range. Plus, it has my favorite brand of lowered floor mobility conversion, which is Rycon. Let's take a look. I appreciate your interest. Please call me with any questions at 541-973-7377.